Look what just arrived on my doorstep. Hello Molly sent me a massive PR box, and if you don't know, this is where I get like all my event dresses. My sister's rehearsal dinner dress, my boyfriend's graduation dress. Thought we could unbox it together and see what all they sent. There was some keys on top. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. It's a little locker for back to school. Okay, let's try to open it. Okay, stuff is falling out. Let's look at all the goodies. These little makeup puffs fell out. I am obsessed with those. Little fuzzy pink socks. I love that. This massive cup. I cannot wait to use this. I'm obsessed with the color of it. And it has like a little straw, a little selfie light, a compression mask. These are so cute. I need to put them on my keys right now. A little notepad and pencils, a full-on dress. Let's see what it looks like. This is actually one of the cutest PR boxes I've ever gotten. Oh my gosh. It's like a little short ruffled dress, and it has these long puffy sleeves. We'll be wearing this. This fuzzy tote bag, and it says their brand on it. I love this for sleepovers. It's so like shirt. And then I think these are stickers. Those are so pretty. They're like puffy ones. Look at the little gumball machine, the little ice cream cone, the little phone, the little bow. Just filled this with water, but that is seriously one of the cutest PR boxes I've ever opened. Thank you so much. Hello Molly. I'm obsessed.